check it out and see what we got here. And I do believe, yeah, here's the, look at all the stuff that comes with it. All right, so here we go. I've slit these open already. And all kinds of parts in here. All right, so I'm just getting everything out of the bag. Wow, there's a lot of stuff in here. I don't want to lose it. So let's go ahead and get it open. And these would go under. And there seems to be a sliding thing here. They got a little, some kind of a catch here. We got to figure that out. So I do believe it shouldn't be too hard. We should be able to do it, right? Let's take a look at this here. Got a track on it. Of course, you can't get it out of there.
What is that?
Roof racks.
What?
Roof racks.
Roof racks?
Yep, yes ma'am. Do you want to be in my video?
No.
Well, you're in it.
Well, I'm sorry, I had to come out of the
Congratulations. There we go. Now we're ready to put it together. Okay, so step A, we got everything out of its packages. And these here, we have to take out of the their little thingamabobs. Just like that, all right? And do that on both of these two here. Okay, so we got those two out. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide them in here. Just like this. And I think they only go in one way. So once you get them in there, now what you've gotta do is you're gonna take one of your covers and you're just gonna set it over it like this. Okay, and just kinda, you might wanna separate them a little bit. Then you're gonna take this, you're just gonna screw it on there. I think we're gonna screw it on there. We'll see. There we go. And it should screw right on because it's kind of tight to the. It's got this square is like locked in there. You see under here, so it can't turn. So it should just go right on there, just like that. And then you can put the other one here. See if you've got enough room. And you can see it's not, these are a little bit big. They don't really make sense, do they? I mean, that doesn't, it should, now this allows you to slide it wherever you want to put it. But I don't even know if you need, I think you need both of them, so let's get them on there.
Mom,
Yep.
did you like the pancakes?
Yeah, they were delicious.
Alright, then I'm gonna freeze them.
And so this goes into these two little holes here, like that. And you gotta kind of squish them in. See? One, this, and this. In here, in here. So we're just gonna smush it in. Should go in there. Okay, I got one side in. Alright, I got the other side in. And so this is gonna sit on the roof of your car. So I would leave this kind of loose for right now. Lefty-loosey it a little bit so that it slides, you know what I mean? And then you can figure out where you're gonna put it. Now this, right here, is going to go onto one of these doohickeys here. And that we have to figure out from, we have to figure this out, which one we're going to use on our car, but I'm just going to show you how it works. So, whoops, I think I got to tighten this down a little bit. Let me just tighten this down a little bit. This isn't where it's going to be, but so this bolt, what you have to do is you got to drop it down through here, this hole here. And then it comes through on this side, right here, you see it? And now you can take one of these and you can put it on here, like that, and then you just put this thingamabob on there. And again, like, I don't know who engineered this, but they definitely, I don't know what they were thinking, but I think we got it. So that way this will reach down into your window, and then you got to tighten that down. So this you tighten down, and this you got to figure out where you're going to put it, you know, depending on how big the thing is. So you just go like that, and then you just get this, you know. So for now, you can just put all this together just like that. Put one of these on, put this on, that on. If you have to, you just take this off and drop it out. But you're going to need to, you know, to do this on all four sides. All four sides. So we got to go over to this side now and do the exact same thing here, which means we got to take 2 of these out. Slide them in. Just like that. And then again, we're going to take one of these, set it on top of it, spread them out a little bit, you move them down just a hair, so you got a little bit of breathing room. Set it on. You don't have to get it tight, just get it on there. Same thing with this one. In the butt, right? Again, you know, it's $100 from Amazon, made in China. But I think it's gonna work. Okay, there we go. Then we gotta get another one of these, right? Bam, take it here, pop it up, drop her down.
Tom, do you want to need cooking?
No, I'm good. I'm fine. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and, well, we gotta put this on too. We can put it on. I mean, you can do it afterwards. You don't have to do it right now, but let's go ahead and put it on. There we go. And then stick our finger in here so it doesn't fall out. And then we'll put one of the big ones on, right? Slide it on there like that. And then I gotta get the finger under here, and I'm just gonna screw this on. Just like that. So it doesn't take long to do. So bam, we got one of the crossbars done. Now we just got to do the other one. Oh, these here go on the end, by the way. So you'd slip this right on the end. You follow me? And that kind of keeps it from getting water and stuff in it, just like that. So. So we got the one crossbar kind of done. I got to smush that in there. These, they don't really, I mean, this stuff is not really engineered that good. It's Chinese, it's $100. But for what I need it for, just moving around a paddleboard, it's going to be great because I can just take it up, put it on and take it off. So there we are, look at it. We're looking pretty good. I just got to do the other one now. This is the name of it, by the way. It's MPH Productions. And there's really not too much else that comes with it that gives it any kind of brand identity, but they're made out of aluminum, and I think they're pretty good, really, to tell you the truth. You got to put one of these over here. You know, you see how this is? I may have to cut this because it's coming off the edge, but that's going to go right on there like that. All right, so we'll finish it up, and I'll show you how to get it on the car in the next video. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I put stuff like this together. Peace out.